So hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Gayatri and you are watching Gayatri's Craft. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this transparent photo frame at home and low budget, and it's very easy to make. So I bought these two frames in same size from market, and you can also find this type of frames in local market very easily. And if you want to buy it online, then I have mentioned its Amazon link in description. You can check and make sure that the size of both frames should be same, because we will put both frames mirror in one frame. And now open this both photo frames and take out the glasses. Now I will paint this frame using white spray paint. Here I am using Canva app in my phone for designing photos. I downloaded this app from Play Store. Open this app and at bottom here you will see the plus icon. Click on this. Now click on custom size. Fill A3 paper size in pixel. Now click on gallery option, select your photos. Adjust size according to you. Now click on elements, search ribbed paper. You will get a lot of options here. You can select which one you like. Here I am searching for flowers and graphics. I need white flowers, so here I am changing its background color. Then I will change flower color. So I need orange and black color butterfly, but that was paid in this app. So here I am using Pinterest app for free butterfly photos. So here I am searching for butterflies. So I like this one. Download this photo. Now open Canva app and click on gallery option. Click on recent. Now select that photo and flip this photo and adjust size according to you. Here I am making its copy. Tap on image and click on plus icon. Here I am adding lines. Click on text, fill text. Click on effects. Click on the change background color. Here I'm selecting black color. Click on font color, change its color. Here I'm selecting white color. We will also add song in this frame. For this, search Spotify code in Google. Open this. Now open Spotify app and select your song, which one you want to add. Here I am searching song for Friend. Open song, click on three dots, click on share, now click on copy link. Now go to Spotify code site and paste that link. Click on get code and click on download. Take screenshot of it. And now open Canva app. Click on gallery. Add that photo. And adjust size. Scan this code in your Spotify app and song will be played automatically. You can add any song. Open another slide and click on Elements. Search paper. And I'm selecting this one paper. Adjust size. Click on save option. Select file type. Here I'm selecting PDF file. And your design is ready to print. I print this on A4 glossy photo paper. Cut this using cutter. Cut this ripped paper by hand so it will look natural. clean mirror using water and newspaper. Here I am using double-sided tape. Paste photos according to you. You can also use dried flowers. Put glass on it. Put both glass in this frame and lock it. And here your transparent photo frame is ready. Hope you like this, and so if you like this video, then hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And thanks for watching.